Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add clickable link in Instagram Reels. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, then you need to click on your story and here you need to create a reel. So here you can see that reel is created. Then you need to click on next and here you need to click on the third option and here you can see that there is no option to add link, so you need to search for link in bio. Okay, and you need to mention that in your reel and post that reel onto your Instagram, and the people that see this reel will be now able to visit the link from your bio. This is the only option you can do that. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.